Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my option scanner or even a live option scanner tool which we are created in a Google Sheet that is working for a stock option filter, and we have positional strategy, and by using our advanced option strategy we use this Google Sheet tool to find an entry opportunity. So that I'm going to discuss in this video, and how many opportunities which we got it today. So a lot of opportunities we find out based on today's scenario, and hope you are this week strategies what we are done this week. So a lot of trade opportunities triggers from the Monday. So in my previous video I discussed about we are not getting any stocks. It was started this week, and most probably we are getting a many number of trades and target achieved because of expiry week. Okay, so as a positional we are not going to play. As a intraday, so lot of opportunity which we find out, and within a 2 days holding, so lot of stocks which triggers based on our strategy, and that I'm going to discuss you here, and how to use this Google Sheet, and one more thing. So if you know about the strategy which you are already learned from me, so you know how to use the sheet, we will discuss on our paid session. But if you want to new and if you want to follow the sheet, and based on the sheet, if you are going to take your own strategies, I'm not going to teach you any strategies, but I have already course which is available how to use this Google Sheet, that available on my web pages and website. The website link will be available on the description. You can copy the link and you can go to join on the web link. So you will be getting access to the sheet, and no problem. So you can want to, if you want to know more about how to use the sheet, and you can directly go to the link and you can join on the link, and you will be getting more of how to use it and other factors you will learn, and you can use your own strategies for the sheet also. And how many trades which is triggers more than we got this month, this week. It is not about monthly positional. Monthly positional is different one. So we got almost a lot of 35 stocks. You can look at this. So even more which is triggered, some of the stock which after our entry it fall down. So it is down. Okay, after that entry triggered Titan PA Industries already triggered and maybe moved more. So 2840 Titan, let me go to check, and this is what a pivot level Titan 2840 call option, and look at this. Previously it went up to 191, now it is 142. You got it. So after that was triggers our target 2840, currently 120 it's showing you. Now 142 is the closing price. Yeah, right. So in exact prices 142, then it is showing you 120. So no problem at all. 2840, but it already moved 190, so that is not an issue. So let me check. Tata Communication 1300, so around 257 right now, which is triggered around 62.4. REC 8 rupees, 18 rupees. It's a huge. L&T Finance 7 and 17. So these are all the trades, and Dr. Reddy 179, 478 today. So these are all the opportunity, and put side IEX Bandhan Bank. So this is monthly. I'm not talking about monthly. I just talking about weekly positional trades. How many trades which is triggers? Only 2 days is gone, Monday and Tuesday. Only 2 days is gone for Monday and Tuesday, which we got it that much of stocks. And even one of my students, he was making a profit based on the same weekly strategy. But what drawback is that an expiry week, it should be a higher margin required. So it was a one more trade. Look at this. I will show you one of the trades. It's not my trade. It's one of my student trade who done. And look at this trade based on the same. And this is what not today. It's a yesterday's trade. Hero Motor. So look at this Hero MotoCorp, where it is Hero MotoCorp. So our entry point which triggered yesterday on Hero MotoCorp around 2780. Hero MotoCorp 2780 is the call option which triggers our yesterday entry point. So you can look at this. Here is the entry around 46, and yesterday it went up to 71. So that is what a one more good trade. So 46 is our entry point. So you can look at the exact buy price is around 46, and that is what our breakout. And after it was slightly slowly moving down, and now finally breakout, and today even it moves 76 nearby. So it is yesterday we closed it because of nearby expiry. We are not going to hold it. And one more trade ICICI Prudential, that was around 11 rupees. And this is also be yesterday's trade. You can see ICICI Prudential. Today we find out ICICI General Insurance. So 560 call option 11.5. So we bought it, and yesterday it went to 70. Today it's 13. So our target is achieved. ICICI Prudential, right? 560. That is what a strike price based on the sheet. Even yesterday's entry is around 950, and our entry is 11.5. At this point it's triggered, and immediately it jumps to 19. And today it moved on and it recovered back and closed by 17. Why? Some of the prices are not updating. So okay, 2 o'clock is the last update time. So okay, no problem. So we will update it, and it will be automatically updated. I think some issues. No problem. So here how much trades, and today we find out some of the trades. I will mark the levels. I have already made a shorts. So anyone who watched about IDFC, but it was not given you the trade, but we are finding the first 15 minutes trade. So if you are using the sheet, first 15 minutes, if any stock triggered, so simply avoid that. So don't fresh trade is after 9:30 you can focus, and that breakout you can calculate. But if your triggers before and without a big move, if it is retraced, and that should be the opportunity. But we find that one 3.2, and it doesn't give you, and it moves more than 5 rupees. So here in this trade I don't find an entry opportunity. Okay, so one more trade, City Union Bank. We mark the level in the morning around 9:30. Okay, so after that around 9:30, 9:45 we marked 4 rupees, but it was not moving. But one point of the time it given a breakout and went up to 5 rupees plus. That is also be one more trade. And IDFC 5 rupees, it went to 2 rupees, 10,000 lot size. ICICI GI, that is what a one more trade. So in the first 15 minutes it moved higher above entry, which I am waiting for my entry to trigger. Again it triggers around 28, then it went up to huge. But this candle we find the entry around 30 level, 28.2, and jumps over to 44. Tata Chemical, that is what I one more trade, 30 rupees, it went up to 53. So all the trades which we have taken based on this Google Sheet only. So how to use the Google Sheet, how to find out the real trades by using the sheet, that will be available. How to use the Google Sheet, which is available on my courses on my website. So it's 97, and this sheet if you want to access for your positional or intraday trade, maybe the tool which helping you to find out the trade opportunities, and this one may be another opportunity by using that. So if you wish, and you can take this sheet from us, and you will be getting some idea to find out the trades. And almost more than many stocks, more than 15 to 20 stocks within 2 days that got triggers. One more premium is low and margin is high, but even though if you have margin, that should be a good opportunity. We can focus the trades. And one more update which we are finding, a Bank Nifty today, last 3 days it was not moving higher, and today that given you such a big breakout. This particular strike price 43,500 we are taken, and we were focusing this one above 495, sorry 395. So previous day high we are tracking for breakout, so that high is broken 395, and finally 635. So we mark the level in the morning. So initially it was not broken, but that level is broken at this point, and 395 here somewhere at this moment, and then it started it from 395, it's directly moved to 600, and that was another good opportunity. So how to use the sheet which is available, so in our website, the website link will be available in the description. So you can just go to the courses. If you want to learn advanced strategy course, there is a link, so you can access the courses. And Google Sheet, this is what a Google Sheet, how to get the Google Sheet, how to, here it's about the sheet cost is around 1200, the access to how to use that is around 97. If you wish, you can buy that after attending this class. If it is suitable, you can buy the sheet, and it may be going to get clear idea to you can use the sheet, whether it is possible to use the sheet or not. Okay, so don't buy this directly. So after completing this, you can directly contact me with my WhatsApp number, which is shown in here in this video itself, and then you will be getting that Google Sheet directly. I will share you. Okay, I hope you understood that as a trade. And tomorrow is the market holiday, so we are not going to focus. The sheet will be not be going to run. And one more important, from Thursday directly the expiry day, we are not going to take any trades. And the next day, Friday, so we may be going to find out some opportunities, and only one day for an intraday like that. And from next Monday onwards, we are going to start our positional trading on monthly as well as weekly basis. And if anyone who are interested to learn more about that advanced option strategy, the number here in this video, and you can WhatsApp me the number, or you can Telegram, or you can directly purchase the course from our website. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions or doubt, just ping me here in the chat box. So this is what I told, which we are finding the option live scanner. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.